Monster Kaufman, your friendly and fuzzy guide, ready to take you on a wild ride through the ABCs. We'll meet a new animal for every letter, from A to Z, and uncover all sorts of cool and surprising facts about them. Whether they roar, swim, or fly, each animal has something special to share. So buckle up and get ready for an alphabet adventure like no other. Let's start our journey into the animal kingdom. First up, A is for alligator. Look out! Here comes an alligator. This big, scaly reptile loves to live in swamps and rivers. With its long tail and sharp teeth, it can swim silently through the water, looking for fish or turtles to eat. But don't worry. If you ever see one, just remember, they love the sun more than they love people. Next, B is for bear. We meet a bear. Whether it's a brown bear in the forest or a polar bear in the icy cold, bears are strong and mighty. They roam the wild, hunting for berries, fish, and honey. But when winter comes, they hibernate in cozy dens and sleep for months. C is for cat. Here's a cat, curling up for a nap. Cats are curious and love to explore. Whether they're chasing a toy mouse or lounging in a sunny spot, cats make our homes warmer with their playful personalities. Next up, D is for dolphin. A dolphin jumps out of the water, twirling and spinning through the air. Dolphins are smart and friendly, often playing in the waves. They communicate with clicks and whistles, and sometimes they even swim alongside boats, almost like they're saying, "Hello." Here comes the E is for elephant. Elephant, the largest land animal in the world. With huge ears and a long trunk, elephants are gentle giants. They use their trunks to drink water, grab food, and even say hi to their friends. Elephants live in herds and care for each other, making them one of the kindest animals in the wild. F is for fox. Quick and clever, a fox sneaks through the forest with its fluffy tail trailing behind. Foxes are amazing hunters, and they can find food even in the snow. They're also super smart, which is why they're often in fairy tales. G is for giraffe. Stretching high above the treetops, the giraffe munches on leaves with its long neck. Did you know giraffes have the longest necks of any animal? They can see over the savanna to watch for predators, while their tall, spotted bodies make them stand out in a crowd. H is for hawk. High up in the sky, a hawk soars above the trees, its sharp eyes looking for food below. Hawks are incredible hunters, using their keen eyesight to spot tiny animals from miles away. With a swoop and a dive, they catch their meal and fly off again. I is for iguana. Look at that green iguana basking in the sun. These lizards love to soak up the warmth on rocks or branches. With their scaly skin and long tails, iguanas are great climbers and can even swim if they need to. J is for jaguar. In the jungle, the jaguar moves silently, its spotted coat blending with the shadows. Jaguars are excellent swimmers and are one of the strongest big cats. Whether they're hunting on land or in water, they're always stealthy and powerful. K is for kangaroo. Bounce, bounce! Here comes a kangaroo hopping across the outback. Kangaroos are great jumpers, using their strong hind legs to leap over long distances. They also have pouches where their babies ride until they're big enough to hop on their own. L is for lion. Roar! The lion, king of the jungle, struts through the grasslands with its magnificent mane flowing in the wind. Lions live in groups called prides, where they work together to hunt for food and protect their home. The lion's roar can be heard from miles away. Now that's power. M is for monkey. Look at that monkey swinging through the trees. Monkeys are playful and super smart. They use their long tails to balance and leap from branch to branch. Some monkeys love to eat bananas, while others enjoy climbing to the highest spots in the forest. N is for narwhal. Deep in the cold waters of the Arctic swims the narwhal, a whale with a twist. Narwhals have long, spiral tusks that look like unicorn horns. They use them to communicate and even break through ice. How magical. O is for owl. Hoot, hoot! It's an owl, flying silently through the night. With their big round eyes, owls can see in the dark and are expert hunters. They love to swoop down and catch mice or other small animals, all without making a sound. P is for penguin. Waddle, waddle. Penguins are the funniest little birds. They can't fly, but they're amazing swimmers. On land, they slide on their bellies, and in the water, they zip around like fish. Penguins love to huddle together for warmth in their icy homes. Q is for quail. A small plump bird hops along the ground. It's a quail! With their little feathered hats, quails are always on the move. They prefer to run rather than fly, but when they do take off, it's in a flurry of wings and chirps. R is for rabbit. Thump, thump! A rabbit hops through the meadow, its long ears twitching. Rabbits love to nibble on carrots and other tasty plants, and they're always ready to hop away at a moment's notice to stay safe from predators. S is for snake. Slither! Slither! A snake winds its way through the grass, its smooth body gliding across the ground. Some snakes are venomous, but many are harmless. They hunt for food by using their tongues to taste the air. T is for tiger. Majestic and powerful, the tiger prowls through the jungle with its bold orange and black stripes. Tigers are strong swimmers and skilled hunters, but they're also very solitary creatures, preferring to live alone. U is for urchin. Spiky and small, sea urchins live on the ocean floor. They protect themselves with sharp spines, and they move very slowly. Urchins help clean up the sea by eating algae that grow on rocks and coral. V is for vulture. High in the sky, a vulture circles, searching for food. Vultures are scavengers, meaning they eat animals that have already passed away. This makes them important for cleaning up the environment and keeping things tidy in nature. U is for whale. Splash! A whale breaches the water, sending a huge spray into the air. Whales are the largest animals on Earth, and they live in the oceans. Some species, like the humpback whale, even sing beautiful songs under the sea. X is for X-ray tetra. Look closely. The X-ray tetra is a tiny fish that is almost see-through, so you can see its bones. These fish live in tropical rivers, and their transparent bodies help them stay hidden from predators. I is for yak. In the cold mountains, yaks are strong and fluffy. These furry animals help people by carrying heavy loads up steep hills. Yaks also provide milk, wool, and even meat, making them important animals in the Himalayas. Z is for zebra. Look at that zebra! With its black and white stripes, it's one of the most unique animals in the wild. Zebras live in grasslands and are always on the move, grazing in herds to stay safe from predators.